In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make emails mobile friendly in Mailchimp. Start by heading to Mailchimp in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, go to the campaigns area. This is where all your email work lives. Find the draft campaign you're working on and open it. If you have several drafts, use the search or sort tools to locate the right one, then select it to move into the editor. Next, click Edit Design. This takes you into Mailchimp's drag and drop builder, where you can make changes that directly affect how your email looks on phones. As you customize your design, keep mobile readers in mind. Aim for a simple, single-column layout so content stacks cleanly. Choose a readable body text size, typically around 14 to 16 pixels, and keep headings large and clear so they stand out on smaller screens. Keep paragraphs short and use clear spacing between sections. For buttons, make sure they're big enough to tap comfortably with generous padding and a high contrast color that stands out. If you're using images, resize them to fit the content area, compress them so they load quickly, and add alt text so the message still makes sense if images don't load. While you're in the editor, check link spacing. On mobile, links that are too close together can be hard to tap. It helps to turn important links into buttons or give them extra line spacing. Also, watch out for wide tables or multi-column layouts. Those can pinch content on small screens. If a block is too busy for phones, consider simplifying it or using the visibility settings to show or hide a block on mobile versus desktop. At the top of the editor, switch to Mobile View. This is your preview of how everything will stack and scale on a phone. Scroll through the entire email. Make sure headings don't wrap awkwardly, images aren't overflowing, and buttons have enough margin so they don't feel crammed. Check that your logo and header aren't dominating the first screen and confirm that the main call to action appears early and is easy to tap. If anything looks off, switch back to the desktop view, adjust the block, spacing, or font size, and preview again in mobile until it feels smooth and readable. Once the mobile view looks good from top to bottom, save your work. When you're confident with the layout and readability, click Save and Exit to return to your campaign overview. That's it. Your email is now designed with mobile readers in mind and ready for the next step in your sending process.